How soon will the FECO start working?
All right, so that's another great question, Megan. So people, and it goes along with your other question, right? Like how do I know when it's working, and how long will it take for that to happen? So there are some people that it works right away, like within 15 to 45 minutes, however long it takes for that first dose to kick in. Like they get like results right away. And especially people that have like pain kind of conditions and neuropathies and anxiety, stress, depression, all that kind of stuff. I've seen like literally thousands of people take it at shows over the years of doing these shows and come back and buy it because it worked instantly on them, right? And then others, it could take that like 2 weeks, etc., to work. But usually within the first 1 to 3 days, about I would say probably 80% of people, and then there's about 15% of people that take about a week, and then maybe 5%, that remaining 5%, take up to that 2 weeks. The longest I've ever had anybody say that it took was 15 days.
15 days.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Wow.